EETV box connectivity problems can disrupt your streaming experience. Understanding the root causes helps identify the right solutions. Connectivity issues typically fall into two categories. Network factors include insufficient bandwidth, router incompatibilities, and network congestion during peak hours. Hardware factors involve physical components like faulty Ethernet cables, outdated TV box firmware, or router hardware limitations. Your broadband speed must meet minimum requirements. Standard definition content needs at least 10 megabits per second, while 4K content requires 25 megabits per second. Beyond raw speed, you need a stable connection without frequent dropouts and consistent performance throughout your viewing session. Your router must be compatible with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. It should have updated firmware and the required ports open for EE services. You can connect via Ethernet cable for maximum stability, Wi-Fi for convenience, or power line adapters in areas with poor Wi-Fi coverage. Start diagnosis with a basic connectivity check. Test your internet connection on other devices and ensure all cable connections are secure. Next, perform a restart procedure. Unplug your EETV box for 30 seconds, then restart both your router and modem. Finally, check your network settings. Access the TV box network menu to confirm the correct Wi-Fi network is selected and the password is accurate. Follow these diagnostic steps in order to systematically identify the source of your connectivity issues before attempting any fixes. One key indicator of network problems is an IP address starting with 169. This indicates the TV box cannot properly connect to your network and needs attention. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced network configuration becomes essential. First, optimize your Wi-Fi connection by switching between frequency bands. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider coverage but slower speeds, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds with shorter range. Switch to 5 GHz if your EETV box is close to the router. Next, configure reliable DNS servers. Set your DNS to Google's public servers, 8.8.8 as primary and 8.8.4.4 as secondary. This resolves many connectivity issues. If DHCP issues persist, configure a static IP address. Choose an IP outside your router's DHCP range, typically 192.168.1.200 or higher, with matching subnet mask and gateway. Optimize network traffic with quality of service settings. Prioritize your EETV box traffic to ensure smooth streaming even when other devices are using the network. Ensure essential ports are open for EETV services. Ports 80, 443, 1935, and 8080 must be accessible. Configure port forwarding if using strict firewall settings. Disable SIP ALG if available in your router settings. This application layer gateway can interfere with streaming protocols and cause connection instability. Optimize Wi-Fi performance by selecting the right channel. For 2.4 GHz networks, use channels 1, 6, or 11 to avoid interference from neighboring networks. For persistent connectivity issues, consider mesh network systems. These provide seamless coverage throughout your home and eliminate dead zones that affect EETV box performance. When advanced troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional support becomes necessary. Contact EE Technical Support for hardware diagnostics or consider professional network installation services.